Hello friends, welcome to IPM Leap. In today's video, we are going to share details about the top 7 institutes offering IPM program in India. IPM program, that is Integrated Program in Management, which is essentially 5-year MBA, is getting popular day by day in India. I think among many other reasons, one of the key reason is that students have to just focus once on cracking the entrance test after 12th, and then when they enter an institute like IIMS, they don't have to appear for any other entrance test for their MBA program. It's a big thing, not just for students, for parents as well. So in this short video, I am going to discuss about the top 7 institutes offering IPM program. So let's start with the first such institute. So friends, the first ranked college out of the 7 IPM colleges that we are going to discuss today is anybody's guess. It has to be IIM Indore. IIM Indore started this program in 2011. At that point of time, it was like a mini revolution. Nobody had heard of it or imagined it. However, it's been 10 years now and it is well accepted, and all other IIMs are following suit and launching IPM programs. If we look at the recent placement report by IIM Indore, the average placement was whoppingly 23.6 lakhs per annum, which is quite high. Anybody looking at any career option after 12, I am sure this has to be the number 1 career in terms of placement packages being offered. Some quick facts and figures. There are a lot of things to be clarified in this. So the best advantage is a student with maths or without maths is equally eligible. In certain exams, maths is compulsory, but not here. In IIM Indore, it is not. Maximum age limit is 20 years, so that means a student who has given plus 2 exams in 2019, 2020 or 2021 would be mostly eligible. However, if your age is a little more than 20 years, you are not going to be eligible. There is going to be no exception except when you are in any of the reserved categories. You must have 60% marks both in 10th and 12th. 59.8 is not going to work. A lot of people ask me this. No. And also there is nothing like best of 3, best of 4, best of 5. Details are available on the IIM Indore page or at IPM Leap, how they calculate the 60% marks. There are 150 seats. About 25,000 students apply for 150 seats. So you can imagine the selection ratio. Exam is conducted across 34 cities. Exam is in the online mode. Even in COVID era, when the exam is conducted in a take-home setting, still it is in an online mode, which basically means it will be like an MCQ format or a type-in-text format. There will be no pen and paper or shading of boxes required. Normally, before COVID, the exam was held in the month of May, but this year the date is announced as 16 July. Let's hope it does not get postponed further. Application fees is 4,000 INR. Let's quickly look at the pattern of this exam. There are essentially 3 sections, but there are only 2 areas that are being tested. First is maths, which is called quantitative ability. It comes in 2 formats. One is MCQ, where you have to select an option out of the 4. Second is essay, which basically means you have to type the answer. So if the answer is 5, you have to type 5. It is like 22, you have to type 22. First section has 40 questions, 40 minutes. Second has 20 questions, 40 minutes. After that comes verbal ability, which is essentially usage of English. 40 questions to be done in 40 minutes. You cannot save time in one section and transfer it to other. So sections are in silos independent of each other. Correct question gets you 4 marks. Negative marking is -1. No negative marking in second section, which is essay. Aptitude test carries 65% weightage in final merit, and 35% weightage is given to interview and a written ability test, which is basically like you write essays in school, so a little modified version of that. Last year was an exception when 85% weightage was given to the test and just 15% for a VBA, which is a recorded video based assessment, not a live interview. This year so far, the criteria is 65% for test and 35% for interview and VAT. Let's see if that changes in coming days. Fees is 4 lakh per annum for the first 3 years, and for the final 2 years it is 6 lakh per annum. Includes lodging. Very important to note, this includes hostel. A lot of parents ask me this. Earlier it used to be 4.5 lakh per annum, but this has now been reduced to 4 lakh per annum. Moving on, the second best option for IPM program in our country is IIM Rohtak, which started this program in 2019. It was the second IIM to do this. So this year 2021 is going to be the third batch joining this program. Like IIM Indore, there are quite many similarities here. It allows students both with maths and without maths to apply, and it has kept the cutoff as 60% marks. Age limit is also 20 years. Seats are a little more, it's 160 seats. 6,000 students applied last year. I am sure this is going to become very popular as the time comes, and the numbers will only improve and increase from here. Exam is supposed to be conducted in 28 cities. Let's see if COVID allows that. So far, the revised date has not been announced, but I guess it will be in July or August this year again. Application fees is 3890. Let's quickly look at the pattern. It is a little different from IP MAT Indore. Quantitative ability, basic maths, 40 questions, 40 minutes. Verbal ability, English, 40 questions, 40 minutes. But there's a new section, reasoning ability, 40 questions, 40 minutes. So, reasoning ability is basically analytical puzzles. So, there would be certain questions which require you to think and reason out. Some students have already tried it in schools as well. But trust me, it's not a difficult section or something to be afraid about. Overall also, IIM Rohtak exam has always been easier, much easier than IIM Indore exam. Correct answer gets you 4 marks and wrong answer -1 mark, same as IIM Indore. Different comes in the final merit list. Aptitude test is going to carry only a 45% weightage, whereas IIM Indore was 65%. 15% weightage is given to interview. There is no VAT announced yet. 40% is past academics. So high weightage to your 10th and 12th marks. So this is a critical difference here. First year fees is 4,51,000. Fees for second and third year is 5 lakh. Fourth year 7.6 and final year is 8.4 lakh. Moving on to the third IIM which has started IPM program this very year is IIM Ranchi. Again, many things are similar to the other two IIMs IPM programs and few things are different. So let's look at the similarities and differences. So similar is that without math students are equally eligible. Difference is no age limit. So anybody who let's say that did plus 2 in 2018, 17 is also eligible to apply in IIM Ranchi. Marks criteria remains same. However, there's a difference in how they calculate the 10th and 12th marks. So again, you can read it on IIM Ranchi page at ipmleap.com. Total 120 seats are there. And the big difference is that they are not conducting their own entrance test and rather giving you two options. So you can apply through IP MAT Indore. So yes, you give IP MAT exam and you can apply to two IIMs through that. IIM Indore and IIM Ranchi now. Or SAT, which is a scholastic aptitude test conducted by college board, or both. So it means if you give both exam, IIM Ranchi will take best of both scores to calculate your merit. So that's a big advantage to students. However, remember one thing, if you give IP MAT exam or SAT, you have to fill separately IIM Ranchi form. Otherwise, they will not come to know that you are interested in their program as well. So their form fees is 2000 INR. This is apart from the IP MAT or SAT fees that you would have already filled. Let's quickly look at how they calculate their merit. So if I look at the test score, it's a 30% weightage only. So reduction from IIM Indore 65%. IIM Rohtak 45%, in IIM Ranchi test matters only 30%. VAT matters 30%, so they will take an essay type of test, 30%, huge weightage to that. Interview is going to be 15%, past academics another 25%. Something very unique they've done, extra 5% bonus marks for female candidates, which is called gender diversity. Now this may sound unique to you, but this is very common at the MBA level. So all IIMs normally have some kind of marks for gender diversity, academic diversity, all those things. So IIM Ranchi has kept that at the IPM level also. Fees for the first 3 years is going to be INR 14 lakh rupees. For the next 2 years, fees is not disclosed yet. It will be as per the MBA program fees at that time, which is like 3 years from now. So moving on to the fourth IIM. So fourth IIM to announce IPM program is IIM Bodh Gaya. It has announced its first batch this year in 2021. There are many similarities with other IPM programs of IIMs and there are few differences as well. For example, they will take students without maths. Minimum 60% marks are required. So this is in line with other IIMs. Technically, there is no age limit, but they have said 12th should be done within past 2 years. So they will take students who have done 12th in 2019, 2020 or 2021 this year, regardless of the age. There are total 60 seats, 50 plus 10 I'll explain soon. They have launched a new entrance test called JIPMAT. It will be conducted by National Testing Agency, which conducts other exams like JEE and NEET. Application fee is 2000. So once you have applied JIPMAT, you need not fill separate form for IIM Bodh Gaya. Let's look at the pattern of this exam. So 3 sections. Once again, quantum ability, which is basic maths, 33 questions. DI and logical reasoning, 33 questions. Verbal ability English, 34 questions. Now DI, data interpretation, is basically question based on graphs, pie charts. So over here it appears as a separate name, but it was already part of IIM Indore's quantitative ability. So it is not as if something new has happened. Only thing is they have moved it into a separate section. So this pattern is quite similar to what CAT pattern is, which is normally used for MBA entrance. Correct answer will get you 4 marks and a wrong answer will give you -1 marks. Total time is 2 hours 30 minutes. So here there is a difference. There is no sectional time limit. So it is up to you. You want to give more time to English, more time to DI, more time to quants. So it's left up to a candidate. It can be confusing also sometimes for a young student to handle this kind of situation. Fees inclusive of lodging is 4.5 lakhs per year, and tendered tuition fee for 4th and 5th year is 7.5 lakh. However, the exact fee will depend at the PGP fee level of batch 2024 to 2026. Now, how are they going to calculate the merit? So test score is going to carry a 70% weightage, class 10th 15%, class 12th 15% as well. So there is no interview, no written ability test. So that's a little bit difference over here. As I said, there are 10 supernumerary seats. So over here we read 50 plus 10. So 50 seats are based on this merit platform. 10 are supernumerary only for female candidates. So again, to have gender diversity, this criteria has been built in. Let's move to the 5th IPM program. So the 5th IPM program has been announced by IIM Jammu. Again, the first intake is going to be in 2021. All the factors are more or less similar to IIM Bodh Gaya. They are going to take entrance through JIPMAT, which is again through NTA. No separate form is required. Total 60 seats are there. So as you can see, everything is mostly similar to IIM Bodh Gaya, even the exam pattern. I will just quickly point out the differences. So difference is in the course fee. Course fee is 4,85,000. So a little bit of difference. And the bigger difference is in the weightage. So test score will have 60% weightage, whereas in Bodh Gaya it was 70%. 10th and 12th both have 15% weightage, and 10% weightage is to gender diversity. So once again, female candidates will get 10 points in this section and male candidates will get 0. So instead of having 10 supernumerary seats, they have built in this criteria within their merit calculation. So moving on to the 6th program after the 5 IIMs in IPM, which are obviously going to be the best in the country. So I come to Nirma University, which has been conducting IPM program for quite some time now. Some quick facts about this program. Again, they take students with and without maths. Age limit is 20 years, 60% marks. They have high number of seats, 216. They also have additional 15% seats for NRI student. They do not conduct any entrance test. So they take IP MAT as their criteria. However, you still have to fill a separate form by spending rupees 1500. Now, since they take IP MAT, so exam pattern is going to remain same. However, weightage is going to be different. 50% weightage to the IP MAT test, 30% weightage to interview, and 20% to past academics. There is no VAT. Fee is quite reasonable, just 2.8 lakhs per annum for the first 3 years. For the final 2 years, it will be in the range of about 5 lakh if I look at the current MBA fee. So friends, with one exam IP MAT, you can kill 3 birds. One is IIM Indore, IIM Ranchi and Nirma University through one exam. Moving to the 7th best IPM program that I have for you is Jindal Global Business School, which is part of OP Jindal Global University. It conducts its own exam called JSAT. Again, a very simple exam, same 3 sections: quantitative ability, English, reasoning ability. Total duration is 2 hours. There is no negative marking. However, you can skip this exam if you have already given any of these 3 exams: SAT, UGAT or ACT. However, you will still have to give a personal interview. Fees is 3.5 lakh, which does not include lodging. Lodging fee is 2.6 lakh per annum separate. So I hope, friends, you have got a fair bit of idea about the top 7 IPM programs in the country. Lot of details are available on our website ipmleap.com. For each of them we have a separate dedicated page. You can also watch separate videos on them on our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Any query, please drop us a WhatsApp on this number, dedicated helpline for IPM students. In the end, friends, if you liked our video, please do subscribe to our channel. Kindly share our video with your friends. All the best for a super duper career ahead.